Apologify AI just hit the market, and if you're wondering what the buzz is all about, you're in the right place. This software promises to revolutionize how you manage customer relations, but does it live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about Apologify AI before you decide if it's the best choice for your business. First, Apologify AI is designed to streamline and automate the process of crafting apologies and responses for customer service teams. Whether it's addressing a complaint or handling a misunderstanding, Apologify AI uses advanced algorithms to write personalized, empathetic messages that sound human. This feature alone makes it stand out, especially for businesses trying to maintain a positive relationship with their customers while managing high volumes of inquiries. Now, let's talk about customization. Unlike other AI tools that feel robotic, Apologify allows you to tailor its responses to your company's tone and voice. This means your automated messages won't sound generic, which is key when trying to maintain brand consistency. The platform's natural language processing is top-notch, offering suggestions that are nuanced and context-aware, making it ideal for sensitive customer service situations. Another major advantage is its integration capabilities. Apologify AI can easily connect with CRM systems, email marketing tools, and even social media platforms. This means that your team can automate responses across multiple channels without feeling disconnected from their overall customer service flow. Apologify's user interface is intuitive, which means you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The dashboard is simple to navigate, and you can quickly set up your automated apology flows without any complicated setup processes. For business owners who are not familiar with coding or advanced tech setups, this ease of use is a game changer. One thing I really like about Apologify AI is its ability to learn from each interaction. The more it's used, the better it gets at crafting responses that are empathetic and relevant to the situation. This means that over time, your AI-driven customer service will actually improve, without the need for constant updates or manual oversight. Now let's talk about its pricing. While it's still in its early days, Apologify AI offers a free trial so you can test it out without any commitment. You can try this software completely free from the first link in the description below. But if you decide to continue using it, they offer tiered pricing, so businesses of all sizes can find an affordable plan. You might be wondering if it's really worth it compared to other AI software in the market. In my experience, Apologify AI offers an excellent balance of affordability, ease of use, and functionality. If you're looking for a customer service tool that doesn't require you to be tech savvy but still provides powerful results, this software might just be what you need. But here's the catch. While Apologify AI is great, it's still evolving. Some advanced features, like detailed sentiment analysis or multi-language support, aren't fully developed yet. That being said, it's still one of the most promising AI solutions I've seen in the customer service space. To wrap up, if you're on the fence about Apologify AI, I highly recommend giving it a try. It could be the tool you need to take your customer service to the next level. And don't forget to check the description for links to other AI tools that I've personally tested and highly recommend after trying thousands of AI software options. Make sure to click that first link below to start your free trial today.